The Cyclomix Expert is a completely configurable unit with a total of 24 outlets. Any number of catalysts, solvents, and resins can be incorporated, totaling 24. The Expert's offered an air mix, air spray, and airless pressure ranges, and there are multiple flow meter options allowing for compatibility with 99.9% of all liquid coatings. And the Expert's also capable of delivering 1, 2, or 3 component mixtures within a 1% ratio accuracy. There is a ratio test kit that's also included as standard with this unit. Class 1 Division 1 units are available that allow for the fluid panels to be mounted in booths, paint kitchens, or hazardous environments. It comes with Allen Bradley PLC controls and Ethernet or discrete communications. Before speccing out an Expert, it's important to understand the coating and that the polyurethanes and epoxy coatings do not mix, meaning they're chemically incompatible. It's also important to understand that any specific flushing, solvents, or procedures that may not be obvious to the eye. Please involve paint suppliers to ensure that all of the coatings and the coating characteristics are completely understood. The Expert is a higher investment system meant for high volume facilities or anyone who wishes to have complete integration to the platform. The system minimizes employee risk or exposure due to reliable operation and simple design, and the simple design allows ease of access to all of the components for cleaning and maintenance purposes. Practical applications of this solution include large plants with higher volume demands or anyone who wishes to have network-capable PLC communication through Ethernet. Also, anyone who has multiple colors, over 7 colors, with multiple catalysts or specific flushing solvents. Because of the Expert's mass flow meter versatility, we can run high solids, highly abrasive coatings, where color changes are required, making the Expert the most versatile 2K meter mix solution that Cyclomix Kremlin offers. So with that said, let's take a look at the Expert. We'll go ahead and start with the Cyclomix Expert control panel. I want to mention the multicolor display, our ProFace HMI. Just underneath that, we have our cycle stop, emergency stop, which cuts off all of the air to our piloted valves on our fluid panel. Shift over here to our mixing manifold, our fluid panel. We want to start with our resin color change valve. Depending on the recipe that we select, our resin material exits the valve, goes up through a super filter, gold top air mix regulator, from the air mix regulator into a stainless steel flow meter sensor, and we have our flow meter sensor cable. From there, it'll travel up into a check valve and then into our injection block. The injection block here is the first point in contact on this machine where our catalyst and our resin meet for the first time. So, if we go back down, we will take a quick look at the super filter on the catalyst side. From there, the material goes up into our gold top regulator, exits the gold top regulator, travels into our catalyst flow meter, then our flow meter sensor, our sensor cable. Then we have our catalyst check valve. This is a non-explosion proof injection valve. Again, opening and closing within 1 millisecond of time, allowing for very precise and accurate catalyst injections. And again, the catalyst will be injected into a continuous stream of our resin material. The frequency and the shot size are determined by our ratio and our flow rate. From there, the material is mixed in our stainless steel static mix tube. We have various types of static mixers that we can choose from. Teflon or stainless steel, depending on if we want to reuse or replace our static mixers. Then we have a stainless steel ball valve for emergency shutoff and servicing. From there, we would attach our 25-foot or 50-foot, whatever it may be, material supply hose out to our Excite gun or our AVX gun. So here you have our Cyclomix expert.